Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a Bath & Body Works / body care haul. I'm not wearing any makeup today. I have a zit hanging out on my chest today. Sorry guys, it is what it is. I'm human. I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up at Bath & Body Works and some other items for my body. Just because it is the winter time and I do go haywire on body creams this time of year. I apply day and night. My skin gets really dry, so I have to apply day and night. And yeah, so I'm gonna just dive right in with the first things I'm gonna show you are the stuff that I got at Bath & Body Works. So they did have a sale, buy 3 get 3 free. What I did pick up was the Ultra Shea body cream in the frosted coconut snowball. I got 2 of those. So these are frosted coconut, North Pole vanilla, and snow-kissed woods. These smell absolutely fantastic. Just like basically like a sweet coconut. So that's why I picked these up. Coconut is one of my ultimate favorite scents, so I picked up 2 of these. With that, I also picked up the frosted coconut snowball soft body butter. Same scent, just in a really thick form because it's supposed to be extra hydrating. So this is something I will end up using in the dead of winter because right now it's December. Usually Toronto is cold, but it gets even colder in January, so I'm excited to crack this open in the new year. I wonder if there is, no. So yeah, I'm excited for that. Then I picked up another 2 Ultra Shea 24-hour Ultra Shea body creams in the scent Snowflakes and Cashmere. And this is Cashmere Cream, Amber, and Caramel Woods. This smells like... this smells like heaven. This smells like... how can I explain it? This smells like caramel and vanilla. Yeah. I think it's very similar to Cashmere Woods or Cashmere... yeah, Cashmere Woods, I think it was. This is it's sweet, but it's got that beautiful scent. So I got 2 of those. And then there was this one, the Ultra Shea body cream in Lovely Dreamer. The notes on here is fluffy musk, clean woods, and fresh bergamot. Something I don't normally gravitate to, but it's very like a fresh scent. So I picked that up. This will be nice to use in the springtime. So I picked that up as well. So I did go crazy on the Ultra Shea body creams, but legitimately, I'm not gonna lie, if I use this every day for 2 weeks, twice a day, sometimes I'll miss a day if I do it just once every day and not do it twice a day, but even if I do it once a day every day for 2 weeks, I run out of this quick. So that's why I did replenish my stock. And I had another coupon, like $10 off 30 bucks, so that's why I ended up going, because there was a sale of 3 buy 3 get 3 free on top of the $10 coupon off, so that's why I saved a bit of money. The other thing I picked up at Bath & Body Works was the Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Body Cream. This is something new I have never seen before. What does it say here? Naturally found in your skin, hyaluronic acid is a water-loving molecule that promotes skin health. A powerful hydrator and replenishing agent, attracts and retains up to 1,000 times its weight. I wanted to test this out because I have never seen this at Bath & Body Works before, and I am curious to see if it is actually hydrating. It's supposed to be a thicker body cream. Ooh, that's nice. Doesn't really smell like much, just smells like cream. Doesn't smell like, it doesn't have like a scent like the Ultra Shea body creams do with, like, their special scents. This is just a typical hydrating cream, so I'm actually really excited. I think I might bring this to my boyfriend's because he needs just a basic hyaluronic acid cream for when he gets itchy. So I'm just gonna, I think I might, it says it's non-greasy and fast absorbing, which I can agree to because on my skin, wow, that's nice. Yeah, so I think we're gonna bring this to the beau's house. Anyways, I have two more products I want to show you, and I'm really excited because I haven't been able to find these anywhere, and I finally found them at a Shoppers Drug Mart by my house. They're both by Soap and Glory. This is the Righteous Body Butter. So the Righteous Butter, I have been looking everywhere. They're expensive. They're like 18 bucks a pot. This smells like the scrub, which I do really love. I love the scrub of this. So I'm going to try the body butter. I heard good things about this body butter. We'll see. And then I also found the Smoothie Starter Body Butter Cream. And this is another body butter from Soap and Glory. And again, it's like 18 bucks. Oh, it smells like an almond vanilla. Pistachio, almond, and sweet vanilla fragrance. That's why I wanted to try it. So I have these two, and I think I'm pretty much set for body creams until like maybe summertime. Yeah, so I'm really excited, you guys. That's what I picked up from the store for body care. Let me know down below if you tried any of these and how you like them, how you like the scents mainly. I know like the body creams from Bath and Body Works I love because I've always used their formula. But the scents in particular, if if you've used these scents, let me know. But yeah, so that's all. That's all I got. That's all for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.